Hello students, this is PDG ma'am, and this particular video, which will come in parts because it will be a long one, this will be for entrepreneurship students who will be appearing for their CBSE Class 12 Term 2 examination tomorrow, that is on the 26th of April 2022. So this is just for them because I have been getting a lot of questions from different students of different schools, and it's not possible for me to answer individually all the to answer all the queries. So I'm making this video with a thought that this might be of help to all of you. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into the video. So first thing that you need to understand is your paper is of 35 marks. Most of your papers, other papers, are of 40 marks, but this EP paper or this entrepreneurship paper is of 35 marks. But the good thing is you're still getting 2 hours time. So even for 40 marks, you get a 2 hours time. Even for a 35 paper, you are getting 2 hours time. So that's a good thing about your paper. Now coming to the pattern of your paper, there is some kind of choice that needs to be made by you, and that choice can actually decide how much marks you would be getting. So you have to be a little wise while deciding or choosing the questions that you would be attending, the questions that you would be attempting and the questions that you wouldn't want to attempt. Now why I'm saying this? Because if you have seen your paper, if you have seen the sample papers and the question papers that had been given to you by your schools in the last exam, that your EP question paper is divided into 3 sections: Section A, Section B, Section C. Section A consists of questions carrying 2 marks. Section B will carry questions of the weightage 3 marks, and Section C has questions which carry 5 marks. Now out of this 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks, there are questions given to you. The number of questions is more than what you are supposed to answer. Like for section A, you will be given 6 questions, okay, but you have to answer only 4. So out of 6 questions, you have to answer 4. Now coming to section B, you will be given 5 questions, out of which you have to answer 4 again. And as far as your section C, which carries the maximum of marks, like weightage wise, 5 marks each, there you will be having 4 questions, out of which you have to write any 3. Okay, so from the first section, you have to write any 4 answers. From the second section, you have to write any 4 answers. And from the third section, you have to write any 3 answers. That means your total number of questions that you need to answer is 4 plus 4 plus 3, that is 11. Okay, but the number of questions that shall be given to you is 15. So there's a choice that you will have to make, and that is quite an interesting thing and also very, very important. So how will you come to this wise decision of which one you will be attempting, which one you wouldn't be attempting? That is through your reading time. Utilize the reading time properly. Read the instructions which are given on top of your question paper. There is a section which is called general instruction. Many a times, most of the students, not most, many of you just skip that portion and you directly jump to the question answer part. Don't do that. If instructions are given to you, do understand those instructions are important. That is the reason they have been printed. Otherwise, time wouldn't have been wasted. Money wouldn't have been spent on printing that much amount of thing on each and every question paper. So do not make the mistake of not reading the general instructions or skipping the general instructions. Second thing is, utilize the reading time that is given to you properly. During that reading time only, you decide that okay, from section A, I will be doing these questions, and I will not be doing these 2 questions because I am not confident with these 2. In section B, again, these are the questions I will be attempting, and this is the one that I will not attempt because I don't think I can do it or I can write it properly. Coming to section 3, which carries 5 marks, there also, out of the 4 questions, decide that what are the 3 questions that you will be attempting.